Well, hey everybody, walking to the back corner of the house. Puppies. Curly's out here, Duke's out here. Mostly puppies. Frame of reference. There's a house over there. I don't show people this part of the property. Hey, Stotley. I don't show them much, but you coming, pup, pup? Pup, 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 pup. You better leave that alone. Yeah, pup, 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 pup. Yeah, green gold, red boy, girl, boy. What? You see a puppy you like, you tell me what time it shows up in the video. Well, I'm pretty sure I can figure out what puppy that is. Pretty sure. So, I guess that's my way of telling you I'm getting past the point of calling out ribbons. Like, that's Miss White. I mean, I know her. That's my smallest girl out here. She's a beast. Took her a bit to get off that porch. Puppy! Puppy! You see, she needs a name. I got a few responses. But yeah, she wasn't one of them. Yeah. But pup! Puppy! I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. Okay, well, I'm talking to you. Yeah, okay, I'm talking to you. So anyhow, Mommy Curly. Oh, Daddy Duke. Come on, dogs. Oh yeah, that's the corner right there. Right there. So, how far is that? Right there. A low point of our property too. We got a little creek run back here, especially with all this rain we've been having. But you know, sometimes it run dry. It ain't spring fed kind of thing. It ain't like the creek I grew up with. You know, it ran year round and had trout in it. But I don't know. I don't depend on it for water. I got a faucet. I got a well. Yeah. I got a well. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You're back. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You're back. All right, folks. I'll let you go. I just want to show them to you. I haven't shown this part of the property in a minute. And, I want to show people. Pup, pup. My dog.